confusing. Sometimes you don't know you're at the dock. But I think it'd be a lot easier to talk to you guys. But sometimes the face cam thing is pretty cool too, because you never know. Like, good morning, everybody. It's September 1st, 2021. It's 4:32 in the morning. We're about to get our day started. I'm just now coming off of home time, and we're going to be going to Brownstown, Michigan, and then doing a live unload, and then we're going to be going to Grand Rapids, and then we're going to be going to Texas. So yeah, this is going to be fun. So make sure you smack that like button and subscribe and click that notification bell, because this is going to be a fun adventure. So stay tuned. Alrighty then. The last clip you guys saw was the time lapse of us opening up the curtains and whatnot. So this is going to be an interesting one today. I'm really excited about it because we got to do some interesting stuff here, and yeah, it's going to be great. So not really much. It's really early. I'm tired. I don't really have much to say. So let's continue this. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get these doors open here. The shipper required or the receiver wanted these doors open, and I am too close, not close enough to get these where I need to be. I have to be right there, and I'm too far over that way when it comes to this, but nonetheless, we'll get it figured out. The life of a trucker is always interesting and fun. You never know what kind of shenanigans you're going to get into. Right now, I'm just trying to get into this dock. Kind of overcut it. I need to get over just a tad bit more, and I might have overdone it. I overdid it. Overshot it. Come on, Chuck, you got this. I know, I really wish I had a GoPro. confusing. Sometimes you don't know you're at the dock. I hate her. We're at the dock. Let me get up and check right quick. Alright, we're just going to check to make sure. I'll put this just like so. Yeah, we're good. We're good in the dock. Nope. Alright, that's cool. That's how we do it, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Trust me, if I get a GoPro, it'll probably be a little bit better because it will be hands-free instead of the hand. But I think it'll be a lot easier to talk to you guys. But sometimes the face cam thing is pretty cool too, because you never know, like, what kind of things you're going to get into out here. But I'm in my dock, and yeah, we're there. So we're going to get unloaded. We'll see you guys after I get unloaded. Hey guys, just a quick update. I know I said I'd be with you guys after we're unloaded. We're not unloaded yet. Probably going to be about an hour or so. The editing style for this video is going to be a little bit different due to the fact that I am using just an iPhone and iMovie. So I have to deal with what I have with when you're on the road, you know. I decided it was best not to bring my PC with me due to the fact that it's just way too much. It's a lot to hook up and then unhook and then try to put everything away when you're driving. It's just too much. I want to work on getting a laptop for editing videos and things like that. But for right now, I don't think it's going to matter much. Just using iMovie, I know how to use it. It's a lot easier to use. When you don't see certain things like the last video I posted, that's probably why. You know, I'm doing the best I can out here with what I have, limited, you know, abilities. But nonetheless, I hope you guys do enjoy these videos. It's kind of cool that I'm really working on trying to get all these things together. So I really do enjoy making these videos, and I never thought I would actually start making videos. So hopefully soon I can get some kind of a GoPro or, you know, something that'll help with filming these videos a lot better. But hey, shows progress, right? So you guys watching these early videos compared to my newer ones, whenever that ever happens, it's gonna be awesome. Yeah. So this one's probably gonna be an actual longer video than the last video I posted, because I am doing this whole trip to Texas and whatnot. So yeah, this is gonna be cool. A lot of time-lapse videos, so a little more interesting things. See you guys in a little bit. Hello everybody, and I'm back here. As you've seen in the last clip, we were traveling from Brownstown to Grand Rapids right now. So you guys just seen that little time lapse there. Hope that was an interesting little thing there. If you guys do it like that. We're gonna go. We gotta pick up here, and then we gotta go pick up at the other location, and then we're heading to Texas. So I'm not sure if that's gonna be in a different video or not. I haven't decided. Like I mentioned a little bit ago, the recording everything is done on an iPhone, and the editing and everything is going to be done on an iPhone as well. So videos are going to be coming a little weird, a little strange. In fact, that Texas run might be in another video. If you guys want to check that video out, I'm pretty sure it'll be up by the time you guys see this video. Who knows? But if not, it'll be coming soon. And if it is up and you guys are watching it, cool. So yeah, we're just waiting to get loaded here, and then we're moving on to the next location. Alright guys, we'll see you guys in a few. Alright everybody, I made it to my destination, aka the gas station, or the Love's fuel station. It's also my fuel stop, and it's also where I'm going to be for the night. I want to thank everyone who's been watching this video so far. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Remember to comment below if you like this content and you want to see more, and subscribe. Click that notification bell, because that'll help you get notified when I make more content like this. And if there's something you guys want to see versus like how I do my videos, and if you want to see how I do other things, let me know in the comments. Give me suggestions. Let me know. I could use them a lot. It would help out tremendously. So, with that being said, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.